Welcome to Natural Cure channel. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel and click that ring icon to get notified to our future videos. 6 ways to remove blackheads naturally. Even though they are small, blackheads seem to be the most stubborn form of pimples. As much as you try to poke, squeeze and prod, they always seem to return. Have you tried all sorts of creams, peels, and masks but alas nothing worked? Good news! You can use natural cure remedies that you can find in your kitchen to finally get rid of your blackheads. What are blackheads? Blackheads are small bumps on hair follicles. The dark surface caused by blackheads is an unwanted sight for anyone striving to have a clear complexion. Blackheads are mostly found around the nose and chin area. Most people assume that blackheads are caused by dirt, however, it is the buildup of sebum that causes your hair follicles to clog. It is tempting to squeeze the sebum out. Avoid this at all costs as it could lead to scarring. Here are some simple natural cure home remedies to get rid of blackheads naturally and prevent them from recurring. 1. Cornstarch and vinegar. Get 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and mix in vinegar until the mixture forms a thick paste. Apply to the blackhead affected area and leave it for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse off with warm water, then follow up with cold water or an ice cube to close the pores. The cornstarch absorbs the excess oil, while the vinegar helps to fade the discoloration caused by the blackheads. For the best results, use this 2-3 times a week. 2. Honey. Honey has proved to be effective in removing blackheads. At the same time, it moisturizes and soothes the skin. Apply raw honey to a clean, dry face and let it sit for 20 minutes. Rinse off with warm water. Honey can be used on the skin daily. 3. Egg white and honey. Egg white and honey mask is a great way to get rid of blackheads. The mixture can be applied all over the face. Leave it on your face until the skin starts to feel tight. Rinse off the mask with warm water. Not only will this mixture remove blackheads, but it will also leave your skin with a glow. 4. Lemon juice. Lemon juice removes dead skin cells, and because it is a natural astringent, it also gets rid of blackheads. Before going to bed, use cotton wool to apply fresh lemon juice to clean skin, concentrating on the blackhead area. You can leave this overnight and rinse it off in the morning with warm water. Repeat this every night for a week. Caution is needed when using lemon juice as it can dry your skin. If you have dry skin, add olive oil to the lemon juice and make sure to use a moisturizer once you have rinsed it off. 5. Bicarbonate of soda, baking soda. A baking soda, not to be confused with baking powder, scrub is a simple way to get rid of blackheads. Add a few drops of water to baking soda, use gentle motions to scrub it into the affected areas. Rinse off with warm water. Baking soda not only dries out blackheads but it also brightens the skin. 6. Activated charcoal gelatin mask. Mix 1/2 teaspoon of gelatin powder with 1/2 teaspoon of activated charcoal in a bowl. Put 1 tablespoon of hot distilled water into the mix and stir the ingredients together with a skewer to form a thick paste. Wash your face with warm water and let it air dry. You can also dab your face with a clean towel that has been soaked in warm water. This heat therapy helps open up the pores on your face. Apply a thin layer of the charcoal paste all over your face, except the soft skin around your eyes, your brows, and your lips. You can use an old makeup brush for ease of application, but make sure it is clean. Thicken the mask by applying a double or triple coat of the paste. Wait for the mask to dry completely, which can take a while. Once dried, you can peel off the charcoal mask with a swift upward pull. You can wash the bits that you are unable to get off with warm water later. Applying a light water-based moisturizer to help soothe the skin, especially if you experience a little irritation after the procedure. It is best to use this facial mask once a week. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you want more healthy recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.